Whether you're a longtime homeowner or just settling into your new home, your first priority is to keep you and your family safe and sound. And whether you're in search for heightened security or simply looking for a smart integrated home, that's where AI Doorbell Yobi B2 comes in, the greatest value at the lowest price. Yobi is specifically designed with high security features that include face recognition, motion and sound detection, 180-degree field of view, full 1080p HD video, and more to give you the peace of mind you deserve.
Hi Kickstarter, my name is Carl, and today I'm thrilled to introduce to you all our very own AI Doorbell Yobi B2. Over the past 7 years, my team and I have gained experience in the smart home industry to bring you the face recognition technology on the most cost-effective doorbell that crosses the quality and innovation of the most popular doorbells available on the market. And because of this, we are excited for you to meet our Yobi. I began my tech journey back in 2000 in the company JDSU, the world's top leader in the optics telecom. At this company, I led my subsystem team and tripled the growth of revenue. After my time in JDSU, I established and became the CEO of IBB Labs, the parent company of Yobi. The IBB team and I have worked successfully to develop 3 generations of smart baby monitors sold in Apple retail stores worldwide since 2011. Since then, we have grown to other retailers, including Nordstrom, Walmart, Target, Babies R Us, and other online stores like buybuy BABY, Amazon, Costco, and Best Buy. So much I want to thank you all for taking a look at our AI Doorbell Yobi B2 and for backing our project. Your contributions will help bring Yobi to life.